Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're diving into the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, a super compact handheld camera that creators, vloggers, and travelers are going crazy over. With its 1-inch sensor, 4K at 120 frames per second, and built-in stabilization, it promises big results in a tiny package. But at nearly $520, is it a game changer or just another hyped up gadget? Let's find out. All the links are in the description below. Scroll down and check it out. And before we get into it, hit that like button and subscribe for no fluff reviews that actually help you make smarter buying decisions. Build and handling right out of the box, the Osmo Pocket 3 feels sleek, compact, and ready for action. It's literally pocket-sized, no joke, and DJI has seriously upped the build quality. You get a rotating 2-inch touchscreen, which flips between horizontal and vertical shooting with zero hassle. The gimbal is buttery smooth, and the whole device feels premium, despite its small footprint. It's the type of camera you'll want to take everywhere, whether you're vlogging in the city or capturing moments on vacation. Light, durable, and super portable. It's designed for creators on the go. Image and video quality. Now let's talk visuals. The 1-inch CMOS sensor is the real MVP here. You get incredible detail, dynamic range, and low light performance that punches way above its size class. Video-wise, it shoots 4K at 60 frames per second in standard mode and can go up to 120 frames per second for buttery smooth slow-mo. You also get D-Log-M and 10-bit color, giving creators way more room to color grade and post. Photos, sharp and crisp, skin tones, natural, whether you're filming cinematic B-roll or snapping street shots. This little guy holds up like a champ. Stabilization and autofocus, DJI's 3-axis gimbal stabilization is still top tier. Walking, running, or even filming from a bike, your footage stays stable. It's like having a built-in Steadicam in your pocket. Autofocus has been improved too. It's quick, accurate, and handles face and subject tracking well, even when you're moving. Plus, there's built-in subject framing that tracks your face and keeps you centered, perfect for solo content creators. Audio and usability. Surprisingly, the built-in mics are solid. You also get support for DJI's wireless mic, which takes your audio game to the next level, essential if you're serious about content creation. The touchscreen UI is clean and easy to navigate, and you can go from unboxing to recording in seconds. There's even a USB-C port for direct streaming or connecting to your phone. No learning curve, just point, shoot, and go. Flaws and considerations, but let's be real, it's not perfect. First off, you'll want to grab the creator combo for the full experience, and that pushes the price closer to $700. Also, while the image quality is amazing for the size, don't expect full frame performance. And lastly, it's not waterproof without an extra case, so beach vloggers, beware. Final verdict. So is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 worth it? If you're a content creator, travel vlogger, or just someone who wants cinema quality video in a super compact body, this is a no-brainer. It's powerful, portable, and designed with modern creators in mind. You get smooth stabilization, rich 4K footage, solid audio, and full manual controls. Basically, a mini production studio in your pocket. If you're ready to step up your content without the bulk, this might be your next favorite tool. I've dropped the product link down below. Go check it out. If this review helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe. We drop gear reviews every single week. I'm Top 5 Trey, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. And trust me, out of your top 5 decisions, subscribing will definitely be one of them.